Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ryan Michelle. Today I'm going to be sharing my new Germany house tour. It's an empty house tour. We don't have any of our furniture in here. Even though we do have the lender furniture, it's not our furniture. Sorry if my kids are loud, but I have to do the home tour with everybody home right now, except for my husband. This is our new Germany house. I think we may be moving to a different house. We'll have to see, but I just want to go ahead and share with you guys where we are living right now. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath house. Is it 3 baths? Yeah, 2.5 baths, I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and give you guys a whole tour of the Germany house, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and for all of our returning, thank you guys for always coming back to another video. But I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna get right into this Germany house tour. Okay, so that was the entrance. We still haven't found the trash just yet. I think it's in the garage. I'm not going to be sharing the garage, but this is the entryway. So it actually comes with this really nice door hanger thing. It's really cool. It's attached to the wall, so that's really nice. And to the left, you have the bathroom, the half bath. Getting used to the tile on the wall, but this is what the bathroom looks like. After you come out of the bathroom, on the left side, this is a closet. This is where our luggage and stuff is, and boxes. And then the broom, this will probably be the broom closet and the vacuum closet and all of that good stuff. In here is it's a pretty nice size in our shoes. The entryway is pretty large. That's a great thing. Don't mind that trash over here. Inside of this door, inside of this door, we have the kitchen. Turning the lights off, so sorry about the lighting. But this is what the kitchen looks like. The sink is something I'm trying to get used to. I don't have the sprayer thing, but yeah, this is what the kitchen looks like. This is my pantry, I guess. I'm sure I'll make it work and figure it out. This is the refrigerator over here. Then as you walk out of the kitchen, here is the dining area. I really like those lights. And as you leave out of the dining area, this is the living room area. And I really love these windows because the lighting is amazing. And then that's the backyard, the back porch, patio, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna head downstairs. These are what the steps look like, stairway. This house actually has 4 floors, I guess, 4 levels, maybe, I think so. This is downstairs. Downstairs, this is the basement area, which is the laundry room. And once you come out of the laundry room, this is another area. It's supposed to be like a storage closet, I think, but we'll probably use this room as a play area. Once you come out of that room, you move into another room. This one is larger than that closet over there. This one is pretty huge. And this will probably be my husband's man cave if we do stay in this house. So we are heading back upstairs and we're gonna go to the next floor. Oh, this light is flickering. To the right of the steps, we have the kids' bathroom. They have a shower. They also have a bathtub. And this is their sink area. Headed out of the bathroom, we move into the next bedroom. This will probably be, well, this will be the boys' room. It's a pretty nice sized room. And their closets. This is what the closets look like. Well, wardrobe. I think that's what they call it, wardrobe. And then to the right, to the left of their room is another room. This one will be Lauren's room. And her room actually has a balcony, a little balcony which connects to the other room, but she won't be using that. And then her wardrobe. Okay. I told you guys this house was huge. Now we're gonna move into this room, which will be my office. And you can already see a little bit of my stuff in here already. Computer charger, you know, laptop, all of that stuff. This is really a nice sized room. And then the balcony from the other room connects. This house is really nice, y'all. This is the second floor. You know what, I'm all off on the floors, y'all. It's one of these floors. All right, now we are moving upstairs to the final floor. And my husband likes to call this floor the penthouse suite. Because this floor is the master bedroom. Let me turn this light on so you guys can see this hallway. This is the hallway. Not much lighting out here. But it's a really nice size area. Once you come into the bedroom, this is what the side looks like. I'm not sure how our bed will fit in here. If you are part of the family, you already know what my bed looks like. So I'm not sure. And then this is another bed where Lauren is supposed to be sleeping, but she's not gonna sleep there, y'all know that. She sleeps on this bed with us. But this is what this side looks like. Then we make our way to this side. This is a very long, narrow space. Don't know what to do with, but we shall see once our furniture comes. But this is what this bedroom looks like. Then our wardrobe. Give you guys another view of this side. And my friend, she hooked us up with some comforters, some sheets. I packed a little bit of sheets, but I didn't pack much. And I did pack sheets in the boxes, and we haven't got those boxes yet. The day I recorded this, we haven't got those. This is this other side, and it has these windows with this view, which is really nice. When the sun comes up in the morning, it shines directly on us, and that is like a pain, but yeah. Now we're gonna make our way inside of the master bathroom. We don't have a tub, we just have a shower, which is fine. It's been working out just fine. The sink area, and then the toilet area. And then it has this window right here. That is it for today's Germany house tour. I truly hope you guys enjoyed this empty house tour. Hope you guys enjoyed coming along and seeing my new Germany house. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below. Let me know which area was your favorite or which area did you like. My favorite area would have to be, I don't know, I have so many, y'all. I like all areas, especially with the bigger windows like this, so I can get me some good lighting. But y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this Germany military house tour, and I will see y'all on my next one.